One morning, AumSum decided to invent a soda that never lost its fizz. Eager to test it, AumSum took one big gulp. It tasted amazing. But then, something strange happened. His belly rumbled, and out came the loudest burp he had ever produced. At first, AumSum laughed. One burp wasn't a big deal, but then came another, and another. His burping didn't stop. He tried jumping, standing on his head, drinking water. Chewing gum, nothing helped. The burps kept coming, louder and more frequent. He tried whispering to his stomach to calm down, but it only answered with a booming reply. Birds flew away, cats ran under cars, and the neighborhood echoed with the sound of constant burps. Soon, his burps became so powerful, they started pushing things around. A small one knocked over a potted plant. A medium one toppled a stack of books. A giant one sent his computer flying into a pile of pillows. AumSum was horrified and amazed at the same time. Just then, a strange alert came through the radio. A huge hot air balloon at the science fair had broken free from its ropes and was drifting toward a mountain range with students still inside. AumSum's eyes widened. Maybe his burping wasn't just a problem, it could be the solution. He grabbed his helmet, strapped on his skates, and raced toward the hill where the balloon was drifting. Climbing a tower, he positioned himself carefully, aimed his belly toward the sky, and let out a mighty burp. The air blast rocketed him straight up like a jet. With burp after burp, he soared through clouds and finally reached the balloon. With a few well-aimed burps, he nudged it gently away from the mountains and back toward safety. When the balloon touched down and the students cheered, AumSum had become a hero.